Okay guys, so what we're going to be doing is removing these AN fittings from this timing chain cover, and we're going to be adding them into an oil pan, and that is for a turbo Silverado. So we're going to put on here is plug these up and go ahead and transfer them to the oil pan. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is cutting these off with the grinder. After we have done that, we're going to go ahead and plug weld this piece, and then tap into the oil pan, which we're going to be putting an AN fitting, a -10, and we'll be good to go. Okay guys, so what we're going to be doing next is tapping into the oil pan. We're going to go ahead and add this AN fitting. So this is going to be the return for the oil on the turbo, and we're going to go ahead and finish this up. Let's get to it. So here's the final product. The fittings that were on here have been cut off and plugged, and the AN fitting that is now on here. Very dirty, but doable. That's it. Alright, so there it is. That's it for this video.